guys, how are you doing? Thank you very much for coming in. Blessings and love to you, and thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. So today, yes, I am on the job. This is a rope twist, and this is small. Yes, it is. And as you can see, most of her hair is already done, just these two strands, just to show you the work. And as I showed you previously at the beginning, but this is the goal here. So what I do, I started with a plait, come down maybe 5 or 6, maybe no, I think maybe I come down around 5 plaits, and then I go into twist. Then because I wanted to, her hair is soft, and being that it was moisturized, I gave her a deep treatment and also leave-in and a root scalp. So the scalp treatment that I gave to her was very essential, seeing that that's castor oil, warm it up. And also because what a lot of folks don't understand, castor oil on its own or any form of hair growth oil don't grow the hair unless you cause stimulation, which is by massaging the scalp. That is where your massage technique, efforage, pesserage, blah blah blah, those technique coming, and you will do that as well. So here you can see I'm rope twisting, and I'm showing you how I add the hair. This is one way that I add. Normally I will twine it first, but this really get it moving faster for me. Do whatever works best for you. There you can see I paused to show you that you can find where I added the air. You won't be able to see it. Maybe you're just starting out, you will maybe to twist as fast as I am going there, but just do your best and take your time. So I'm going straight down. I'm moving. I'm tired, guys. I'm moving very fast. This hair, it took it's small. I would say tiny. It is somewhat like micro braids because it's similar. It's very tall, and I did it all on my own. Didn't have a backup or anything of that sort. Now you can see I have one more to go, and I'm trying. My daughter, big ups to Jazzy's I was gonna say Jazzy's, but Jesse's world. There you see I'm going in, and in our crown area I try to apply less tension most and at the sides, because she got a lot of bald spots, and we're gonna work on that together. And her hair is thinning out more. The braid let it look even more thicker than is, and she's a long time client, so I know the hair that she had before, but I'm going back and working on it for her. And so we have job to do. So you can see there I'm feeding in, because I don't want to start with that thickness at the scalp to give that tension on the root, because I did the treatment. So I did something like you're doing a knotless and then coming and start to twist. So here I'm doing rope twist. How you rope twist, I'm applying mori wax on the hair. So you want to twist each. I twist each side. Some people twist only one side, but for me, I like the feeling of it, the tightness, the rope. And this is not fluffy twist. This is rope twist that you guys some of you call it singlies twist. It is considered, I know it as rope twist, so I stick to what I know, but it is the same as singlies. So here I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the piece of hair to give it more body and more length, because I need that to even. So there you see, this is another way that I add there. So the other one I show you, I cover my client. So there I'm going on, and because when you're braiding the hair, you can feel the need to add, when not to, because it's like I can't explain the fingers, it tells you that wait, it's too thin, it feels a little bit thin, so add a little bit more piece. And there I don't normally take from the hair and put over. Why? Because if her hair is inside of it, because all I want her to do is just from the end clip and then just do one wrap unreel, and everything will go straight up to where the plait started. But because her hair, you see me take the piece there and part it off is because I'm going to do it again. See there, I do that again because she can simply cut that piece off. If I'm doing it with your natural hair without adding any extension, I will not do that because it's only going to cause when you're pulling it out, you're going to get that knot, and then that's going to cause issue. So there I'm applying this is my favorite too, castor oil. And this is, I don't remember the brand, but I'm going to show you. It is amazing. I love it. So what I do, I just apply my, wait, you're applying all these things to your scalp. I didn't put in a lot of wax, or you want to say jam and those stuff to powder here, because remember I gave her a treatment, right? And I don't want to defeat the purpose of the treatment. So these oils that I'm going with, it's safe for the scalp and the hair, and because it's to help release any tension and also boost hair growth. There you go, African Pride, yeah. African Pride castor oil, it's good. I also make my own castor oil. I'm just out at the moment, but you know, work gotta go on till I get my supply. So there we go. And so I don't have castor oil on my own, so I have to wait on, and I have to wait on the gentleman who make it. Why? Because the castor oil that I use is from scratch. I love this hair, the neatness. Listen to me, clients, when you get a hair done like this, let me tell you something. It takes work on the fingers, the technique. Look at that, guys. Look how thick that is. And after a week or two, it's gonna, you know, seize up a little bit, meaning that it won't be. And I don't think she can tell you. I hope she can, man. It's not tight. I ask her if it was, because I don't believe in doing the scalp tight. I want my clients to be as comfortable as possible to sleep, and also knowing that it grows. So I'm not trying to defeat the purpose of the hair to grow, but also it's supposed to be a protective style, and that is what I'm doing. So as you can see, the fluff to it, it's gonna get thick, guys, from up the top, and you are gonna be amazed. So I'm gonna go in my foam now, my BTL foam, and I'm gonna apply. What I didn't show you guys is that I saturated the hair with water before I add the foam. Why I do that is because the foam, when you put it on the hair just like that, it just dry. But I find out when you put water before, when you saturate the hair and then adding the foam, you get this. It's just like it's a gimme or it's say, you know what, come and sit right here. So they combine, the combination is very well. So as you can see, I have there, I put a split strip around her hairline because I did a baby hair, and my daughter wasn't there for most of this, so she's a camera person. Thank you very much, Jesse's World. Thank you again, my baby boo-boo. So thank you very much, my client, Mrs. Chambers, for coming in, and blessings and love to you. So guys, there I'm gonna trim up at the end. That's why I don't go all the way to the tip with the mousse, because that will be like wasting of products. So you're gonna see me, I'm gonna clip up and just clip what is extra long, and just take off. There are times when you're cutting, and the more you cut, it seems as if the hair is growing. For me, what I do, I like to knit some of them, go through, and I didn't show you guys all that, and I'm gonna go through and do like a layer thing with a razor. So here I'm going pretty much just taking it easy. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and tell me what you think about this style. And if you want to reach out to me, of course you can reach out to me at Jazzy, my email, jazzybeautystudio&more@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.